so much hatred, and everybody wants to just stream, even though I'm a different type of streamer. I stream workouts, and if you see how I am, I only have conversations with men like him only when we're working out. This is my office.
Yeah, this is the office.
This is the office right here. We get business deals done out here. Yeah, we get life lessons out here.
Yeah.
I usually only conversate with men that work out, and it gotta be outside or in the gym. We gotta talk and work out at the same time.
Yeah.
That's my method. That's why we do different type of streaming here. But that makes a lot of sense. I would even go further and say men are scared of strength.
Yeah, they are.
They're scared
It
of
hurts.
strength.
They don't want to go
It's
through the pain.
intimidating.
We don't want the pain. We need pain to grow.
They're scared of pain. That's what it is. Because
AI said it. He didn't like working out because the shit fucking hurt. It
hurts. I've been there. There was another. See, I tell you, these talks like this go viral, and I get so much hate when I said that. I said it in one of my videos. I said, you agree with it? Because you may have said, I said, but the workout really doesn't start until you feel that pain in your muscle. That's when the workout starts, because people usually run away from the pain because it hurts.
Like if I don't feel a burn, I'm not training like I'm supposed to be. I need something to hurt. Something has to be fried.
You don't understand how many soy boys were like, no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh no, if you feel pain, stop everybody.
Cotton balls.
No, I wouldn't want to work out if I be in pain.
Cotton balls is so.
I'm like, I'm just thinking, I'm like, bro, did y'all hear what I said?